Assalamu Alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Asif Hossen, a student of software engineering at Daffodil International University. I believe that learning, technology and hard work can make a real difference in life. I always try to improve myself, learn new things and use my skills to solve problems. I am dedicated and also motivated to take on a new challenge that helps me grow and personally and professionally. Let me tell you a little about my journey of so far. I am from Hilsa City, Chatpur, a beautiful town in Bangladesh full of life and tradition. I completed my SSC in 2019 from Firozpur Jonakollan High School with a GPA of 4.94 and my SSC in 2021 Puran Bazar College, Chatpur with a GPA of 5. Now I am in 6th semester at university keeping a good CG and actively learning and growing every day. During my time at university, I have also participated in workshops, seminars and group activities that help me build teamwork and communication skills. Over time, I have learned many technical skills including C, Java, Python, SQL and Arduino. I have used these skills in several projects that help me understand real-world problems and gain hard work on experience. Some of my main projects are bus ticketing system using C, hospital management system with SQL, automated car parking system in robotics, SkillTrack AI-driven corporate training companions, student information management system, requirement engineering project for the clothing brand Sailor. This experience gives me confident problem-solving skills and teamwork experience. They also taught me the importance of planning, dedications and learning from the challenges, which I believe are essential for a successful career in technology. For the future, my goal is to become a software engineer, a data scientist and a teacher. I am very interested in AI, machine learning and data science because I want to create solutions that help the people and important technology. I want to create solutions that help people and improve technology in Bangladesh. I also hope to contribute to innovation projects that can make a life easier, smarter and more effective for the people in our country. Outside of studies, I like to join university events, workshops and volunteer programs. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, traveling and exploring foods, which keep me active and open-minded. I strongly believe that learning doesn't stop in the classroom. Every experience outside academics adds to personal growth. I am also thankful one student, one laptop program in my university. Having a personal laptop has made learning, coding and project development much easier for me. It has also ensured me take to more challenges project and improve my technical skills independently. Finally, I want to thank our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Sabur Khan, whose guidelines and visions inspired students like me to work hard and contribute to building a smart Bangladesh. To sum up, I am Asif Hossen, a learner and someone who wants to make a positive difference with technology. Thank you. Assalamu Alaikum.